Hi, I'm Claude Hermann, manager of Fortius Fine Art Storage and Logistics. The Freeport attracts prestigious collectors and artworks from all over the world. But did you know that it is also particularly well suited for the needs of Luxembourg-based collectors? The first service you can benefit from is storage in our perfect conservation and security conditions here at the Freeport. This also means that you have less risk than when you store or exhibit at home, and you will also pay less insurance premium for your artworks. You can obviously also store artworks with us that you bought outside of Europe and where you want to benefit from a VAT and duty suspension regime. Next, Fortius is your preferred partner to organize all types of transports for artworks by truck or by plane, and we can also provide transport insurance for all your transport needs. We provide customs services and all the necessary documents you need to transport artworks across borders. Then, Fortius is also your preferred partner to organize all kinds of accessory services around your artworks. Obviously, you will need to pack your artworks. For example, if you want to move them from your residence to storage, we can pack them when they're in storage and you want to ship them outside of Europe, for example, by providing a purpose-built wooden crate. Then, in the Freeport, we provide all kinds of services with external partners, for example, art restorers, photographers, historians, and other people specializing in their trade and able to augment the value and the importance of your collection. You can also use one of our 8 showrooms here at the Freeport. Our clients use them, for example, for objects they've bought at auction and haven't seen before, but they can also use them for private sales. A sale at the Freeport means that the new buyer will also benefit from a suspension of VAT and customs duties. If you're a Luxembourg-based collector and you need storage services for your art collection, Fortius provides free storage for specific periods of time. This can be, for example, your holidays or a period where your main residence undergoes renovations. Feel free to contact me and schedule a call so we can discuss your specific requirements.